Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Looks like we got us a little mail call here. Says it's from VeeDub. Let's check it out, see what's going on. Maybe something for the beer fridge. Ooh. There we go. When did you send this? Oh, postage is stamped March 15th. Sorry. Has it really been 2 weeks since I've been to my P.O. box? I don't know, maybe. So we got the Washington State postcard here. And it says, here's a sticker. Stick it. Boom. A little 4-leaf clover action. Poison help. And then this is cool. VeeDub P8 YouTube. Let's get this on the beer fridge, shall we? Let's see here. Let's plan this one out. This is huge. Jerry Fort, yours just keeps getting moved around because it's not a real sticker. I wish it fit. Ooh, it almost fits right there. Actually, it will now. Okay. Should we have it lighten up the bottom of is your 6? Or tuck it. Ooh, kind of tuck it right there. I like that. Let's do this. This is one of those cool ones. Alright, let me lay down here and get real friendly with it. Block the camera for a sec. Actually, let's move you around. How about that? Let's see if we can get that to tuck up in there. Yeah. What the frick? Not working for me, VeeDub. It's not working for me. Okay. You can see we finally got the VeeDub P8 decal up on the beer fridge. Had to put a little heat on it to get that backing off. So, as tradition, I'll go ahead and do the shout outs. And I'm just holding the camera by hand here. My display's actually crapped out. If I rotate it too much, it fuzzes out. So here we go. Smilemoney, saltyshellback. And I'm only gonna shout out the people that are still active. Ed USAF, Crazy Scotsman, Cmax Arms, Pop's Quest, Mosin Nagant channel, which, you know, with things going on, who knows what's gonna happen to his channel. Flint and Steel Survival. It's a little decal. Carolina Man. TwistedMetals of Texas. DriveShaft Drew. Don't want to forget Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. He also reviews all kinds of snacks and whatnots. Got SCAB Ugly channel. Muzzle First. Is your 6 covered? ATF Sucks. 454 Packer. Shlisa Shell. And, oh, let me do it, say that one for last. Mid-TN Outdoors. We got the Wolverine Prepper. And then, it's a little bit hard to show up in my lighting. Try to angle it. VeeDub P8. And he's got YouTube on there. Pretty cool decal once you get it peeled off there properly. There it is. Boom.